In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the promotion function to set up the next school year, move students into their new grade levels, and switch between school years. You'll notice that in TESS, it shows the current school year next to your school name in the main screen, and the school year can also be seen at the bottom left corner of the screen. You can switch between the current school year and any previous year at any time and as often as you want. We begin by going to Utilities, School Years, and switch to another year. You can select the year to switch to from the drop-down list. Then click OK. Notice that when you switch to a previous year, the screen highlights at the top and bottom change to blue so that you can clearly see that you're not in the current school year. I'll switch back to the current year and click OK. The promotion function is used to create a new school year for next year. Some schools may want to create the next school year as early as March or April, so they can begin preparing the school schedules for next year. Other schools can wait until June or later when the current school year is ending. To run promotion, just switch to the new school year. Go to Utilities, School Years, and switch to another year, and then type in the new school year, for example 2020-21, then click OK. Since the new year doesn't exist yet, the program asks what grade levels the students are being promoted into. Just enter the new grade levels for next year. You can also check the Clear Home forms in next year if students are going to be assigned to a new home form. For grade levels where the students are leaving the school next year, just leave next year's grade blank, then click OK. After a few moments, the promotion process will be completed and TESS will switch over to the new school year. Notice that when it has switched to the new school year, the screen highlights at the top and bottom are shown in yellow. You can now work on data in the new school year. You can register new students, create new student schedules, and run any other functions in the new school year without affecting the current school year. At any point, you can switch back to the current year by going to Utilities, switch to another year, and then select the current year. Whenever you close TESS and restart later, you will always restart in the current school year. To set the current school year when the new school year begins, go to Utilities and change Startup Year. Then select the new year and then click OK. You'll notice now it has changed to 2020-21, the new year, but the highlights are gray, indicating this is now considered the current school year. You can change the startup year back to any other year at any point that you wish. If you've made a mistake or wish to start the new school year over, you can delete a school year. Only admin functions can do this. Be careful, this process cannot be undone, and any data in the school year will be deleted. So make sure you do a backup before proceeding. To make a backup, go to Utilities, choose Backup Database, and then type in a name for the backup. And then click Save. Now to delete a school year, go to Utilities, School Years, and Delete School Year, and type in the school year that you want to delete, and click OK. Then you click OK to confirm that you want to delete the school year. I'm just going to click Cancel at this point. After you have run promotion and created the new school year, some schools will continue working in the current school year for some time. This can involve updating student names and addresses and other information. To keep the student data in the new year up to date, you can use the refresh function to refresh student data from the previous year. First, we switch to the new year. Click OK. Notice it's showing the highlight of yellow and that we're in the 2020-21 school year. Now we can go to Utilities, School Years, and refresh student data from the previous year. Then select the students that you want to be updated. Click OK. Then select the student data that you want to be updated from the previous year into the new school year. Then click OK. Confirm the new grade levels for next year. They should be the same as when you ran promotion, and click OK. TESS will update the new year from the selected year with the data from the previous year. And now you can switch back to the current school year again.